That is your girl, Sis Enhle. Welcome to our vlog while we are exploring this beautiful property. I said this time around, come along my friends, come along my team. You have been with me throughout the year, unyaka 2023. Geli laba bebe nami kusukela ekuqaleni kwaze kwaba sekugcineni. So it was more of ngeke my girls, you know I love exploring properties, and during the course of the year sikhuluma sixoxa sibonda, and my character kind of like diffused into their characters. So nabo sebeyathanda cause lento yinhle yinhle lento yokuthi nje si explore nje indawo ezinhle, ziningi indawo ezinhle out there. So why not ukuthi siye khona sifike siyibone. So anyway, siyenze lento le yaba year end function yethu ke lena. So besebenza nje sonke. We started off as being colleagues. Surprisingly and amazingly and gratefully, our relationship yakhula yaba into a friendship, yakhula yaba into a sisterhood. So yebo, kisses to the sisterhood out there. So let us just give each other love, let us just give each other that for that motivation, that thing yokuthi sithi look forward. So anyway, we were working there at Grace Hospital, that where we were working together. I'm calling it ukuthi besisebenza because sesiyahlukana ke manje, ama allocations phela ke sebeyahlukanisa ke according to imithetho yakhona ke indawo nendawo nemithetho engafani ke. So I won't go deeper kuleyo department because mina nje ngibuka le mizi nje, ngibuka le property nje enhle kangaka abayisebenzisela as a commercial area, yabona nje labayisebenzisela as a wedding venue. So mengabe ufuna ukushada, this is the place. Le ndawo lena ke kuse Nottingham Bhraman Hills nje. Uzobona nje, you just type Nottingham Bhramanhills, or you just type Bhramanhills in navigate kuthatha kubeke. So asithi sidingo sokuthi nje ngikutshela ukuthi uzoshona ngala because mainly you stay ku freeway nje uzufike nje right, happy, awuhambe emgaqweni emahongo, awuhambe nje ku right ukufika khona kule ndawo. So yo bas welcome kahle ke ku reception area nje, they were so much welcoming. Shame. Then we explore and sabuka nangu girl wami, that is Azama, that is my friend Zama, my sister Zama. So she was quite very much happy to discover such a beautiful place like this. So njengoba ningazi ke ukuthi I am your girl, your property lady, wanting to take along everyone to come and explore indawo. So bang advisile ke ngalalela nami bathe you need to have multiple streams of income. Girl, child, mzala, lalela mzala, lalela hlobo sami, ungathembeli nje on that one salary oyitholayo, because ayaneli kuvele kushode nje ithi yaphela inyanga, hayi awusashodelwa kanje usubala isenti phezu kwesenti. Yes, I must admit I'm not there yet, but ngilalelile mabengitshela ukuthi let's have multiple streams of income. So that is the reason why I started this property tools, of which I love it so much. I love property tools. Uyabona nje, to explore this beautiful property, to give people advisors a property, to share ideas and to share dreams, you know, with people. It's amazing. It is a feeling that I will not trade it to anything else. So that's why ngithanda ke property. If you've got any comment that got to do with the property, I am your girl. I'm willing to listen. You get my number with bio, and then then we can talk. Like really, we can talk. I can help where I can help. If I can't, obviously I will maybe try and refer or try and assist you in somehow. We have bolok. So if you want to be a property investor, or you want to sell your house, or you want to buy your house, or you want to be a developer, or ufuna sixoxe njenge property, I am your girl. I am your girl Enhle. I'm always ready to talk about property. So ngixhume ngithinte, get my number on the bio and ungixhume. So that is 3 of us. We all registered nurses. So if unomkhuhlane nje sikhona sizokutshela ukuthi uzophuzana ukuze ube right. Kodwa ke angikho mayelana nalapho kakhulu, ngimayelana neproperty njengamanje ngiya ukuze mekuthiwa transition. So sengiya-transacta manje ngiyoba property lady. So I would really love to do this property thing full time. If I get that opportunity to do this property thing full time, I will grab it with my 2 hands. Uyayibona nje lo yinto. It's just that I will need your support, guys. I will need your support. I need sponsors. Uyabona nje, I need a car. You know, when I arrive to these high places, I will definitely need to arrive in style. I phela ukuthi lokho kuzosiza mina kuphela. Nawe like uzoba ne-exposure ey'moto zakho lezo oyidayisayo, like uzobona nje i-advertisement njengamanje. Advertisement isiyenziwa ngey'ndlela ey'hlukahlukene. I need sponsors, lot of sponsors. There are a lot of opportunities for people to advertise their businesses even through this channel of mine. Uyabona nje la sihleli nje no girly, my shares zama no auntie. U-auntie is that lovely lady ekade esisiza e-ofisini yethu yabo. So we love her so much. She's part of our team. She's part of the girl that I've made family with. So sixoxela siyabonisana nje siyama girls ukuthi no, we can do it, as much as it's not easy, but we can do it. And sinikezana nje ama advice ukuthi no girl, you can maybe try and use this recipe. It has worked for me. You can try and use this recipe. It had worked for me before. So nje siyabonisana seogeli nje. I'm sure nama guys ayayithandete kanjalo ningangilalela nami. Uyabona ngisho ngiwugela ama guy angilalele, because this is a universal thing. Wonke umuntu uyayifuna progress. We are all hungry for success. So why not investing with property? Like really, we are not saying quit your job. You don't have to. But you can just start small by investing with property, and then you'll see how it goes. If it works well for you, and then voila, you will be a property investor. Uyacabanga nje usunaleyo tag, naleyo name tag ukuthi wena you property developer or you property investor, or because whether we like it or not, guys, ikhona i-revenue with property. Ikhona i-revenue with property. So I'm looking forward for 2024, and I'm taking everybody along. So we are all going to this 2024 together, of which I'm hoping everyone will see 2024 as a year of success, a year of joy, a year of happiness, a year of discovery good things. So siyathandazake baba sithi laba obalethe emhlabeni inkosi ukuthi mabazenza bazibonakalise, baveze inkosi, bavundulule amagumbini ngamagumbi omhlaba, baveze basifune baze basithole, bathi intombazane woza ngizokusiza. Ubenze bakhuthalele Thixo lokho, ubenze uNkulunkulu wami onothando bangabutholi ubuthongo bengakasizi. Uyabona nje ngithi uNkulunkulu bathinte ngezandla zakho 2024. Mawukuthi uNkulunkulu wami onothando, ingilozi yakho noma umsizi wakho lo umthumile la emhlabeni, ngoba phela wena Thixo usebenza ngabantu. Ingakho Nkosi yamakhosi sithi wena Thixo kulabo bathumile benze bangabutholi ubuthongo bengakasizi. Ngakho ke ngifisela wonke umuntu u2024 ogcwele impumelelo, u2024 ogcwele ukuhlala kahle ngokuthula ngokuxolo nangokuzwana. Cela u2024 omuhle ngegama lakho Baba.